Hey everybody, it's Jackie. Welcome back to my channel. Woohoo! Look what I got. It's a box. When is the last time I've seen an ULTA box? I cannot even tell you. And I used to recycle them. But I'm going to save this one because I think I'm going to get another one because I just ordered the Tasty Avocado palette, the I See You Mini Bite-Size Elf palette, the Juvia's Place Violet palette, and with that, if you bought a Revolution palette, you got a free inflatable donut, I guess, to throw in the pool like a life ring. And you also got a, with a $35 purchase, you got a free 9-piece beauty sampler set if you're diamond, which I am. So I don't think they're going to be able to get all that in an envelope. So that was a lot of fun. I didn't spend a whole lot of money. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to get another ULTA box. So let's just open this up, and hopefully it is my LA Girl Mastery palette. This would be my third one. And I did notice that when I talked to the representative at ULTA the first and second time, they record the calls. So I made sure to ask for a box, ask for some protection of some type of packing material, whether it's paper or bubble wrap. And so I don't know. I can only imagine they're getting everything. They're having to ship their orders 2 or 3 times. So they're probably losing money where they thought they'd probably save money using mailers instead of boxes. So anyways, let's, yeah. And now my ColourPop order that I placed for the Blow and Smoke black and white palette that I ordered to instead of the Jeffree Star cremated, and the Going Coconuts palette, and then the 3 glitters, the set that matches the Blowing Smoke. There's a set 3 mini glitters. Well, that order has been pending since May 24th. I have no idea when they're going to ship it. So I had the option to cancel it, so I did. Because actually I forgot about my Naked Smoky palette, so I didn't feel like I needed Blow and Smoke, and Going Coconuts is a really pretty brown neutral palette, but I don't think I need that anyways. And after I placed the order, I regretted it. Although I know they're great palettes, I just don't need it in my collection. And because the order hasn't been able to be fulfilled, I was able to cancel that order. So I ordered the avocado and the Juvia's violets, and which I don't need them either, but I'm trying to give Makeup Revolution or Revolution Pro or whatever they're calling it now, I'm going to give them a second chance because I did watch Angelica Nyquist Green's mini Tasty Avocado, and I thought the green look she did was really, really pretty. And I don't need any green because I can create that with my Viseart palettes. But I just like the look of the palette. I saw it in store at my ULTA, but it was sold out. But I'm just going to give Revolution one more chance, and I have been curious about the avocado palette for some time, so I thought I'd get it before it sells out. Okay, so here, oh, bubble wrap. Oh, look it! I didn't even notice. Okay, so here's how, golly, I'm talking right through my deal. All right, so there's the protection I requested. Thank you. There is my packing slip. Okay. Oh, there's my palette. And what is it? Oh, she's bubble wrapped. Ah, and a piece of bubble wrap underneath to cover the bottom of the box. Okay. Yay! Well, either that or someone saw my video being a little salty. But anyways, okay, so here's you know, and I know this is overkill for one item, but I did order 3 palettes in the first place. If they'd just done it the first place, they would have saved themselves a ton of money. And I'm not trying to be a bee, but I did buy the pallets. I don't get anything in PR, and if I'm going to buy the pallets, even though they're $15.99, I don't want them to be in a million places. I do not want stuff all over my house. So, but I have decided if these are broken too, I'm just gonna let it go. Because I've got 3 of them now, and I have been able to press them as best as I can, and I am going to use them. So if this one's broken, then I don't think it will be, because they packaged this one properly. So this should be great, and I'm so happy. I mean, I'm not trying to. Is it bad to expect a product to arrive intact and be packaged reasonably safely? I mean, I am sure I am not the only person that this happened to, so they're probably just figuring out that trying to go cheap with eyeshadow palettes. I mean, send everything else. You know, send your lipsticks and your liners and, you know, your non-breakables, but for God's sakes, don't send an eyeshadow palette through postal machinery in a mailer that's just going to get bounced around and thrown around. I mean, have they never seen how postal, I apologize, but I mean, it's, so yes, this is properly packaged. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you, ULTA. Thank you. Okay, so I'll do another thank you video to ULTA. So this one doesn't have any powder and looks to be intact. So let's do the big ta-da. Ta-da! Yay! It's in one piece. Thank you, Jesus. That's all I wanted. Okay. Great. I'm happy now. That's what it's supposed to look like. And I've been using it, but I mean, it's all over me. It's all over my vanity. It's all over the drawer. You know, and you just shouldn't have to do that, you know? But anyways, okay, that's it. That's all I want to say. So thank you so much. And I do have a TJ Maxx and Marshalls haul coming up for you. It's not a mega haul because honestly, I just came from there. I got off work at 5 o'clock and the stores close at 7. I was able to jet over to TJ Maxx and Marshalls both before they close, and the stores are wiped out. Now, they told me that they were trying to get 2 truckloads a week. Well, no. They are run out of stuff in the back room. You know how when you're at Marshalls and TJ Maxx and all the cash registers have got snacks and everything, you know, there's nothing. I've got a picture of it from Marshalls. Not a single item on any of those shelves in front of the register. And TJ Maxx had no new items. The only thing they had that was new was a Milani bronzer and a different shade of the Cover FX glitter drops. There was nothing. There was nothing new. It's all wiped out. And and I didn't film it because there were other people there, but everything that was there was perfectly organized in order. I mean, someone did. I've never seen it so neat. I've never seen my TJ Maxx neat and clean, and it was neat, clean, organized, even the clearance section. So they're bored. They got nothing to do because I've never seen the store like that at all. They're out of stuff. So anyways, I do have some other footage that I missed from the last video, so I'm going to put that together and so I can get something out for you guys. But anyways, okay, thanks a lot. I'll see you soon. Bye.